Abracadabra, gilly gilly choo. Today I am here with new rhymes. I am the fairy of rhymes. I do rhymes with actions. Do you do the same? Do you? Yes. So come on. I will spread the happiness of the rhymes to you. Gilly 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 choo. Yay! Hello and good morning everyone. Today I am going to do new rhymes with you people and with actions. Okay? So I will be making you learn few rhymes today. Yes. So the first rhyme. In the first rhyme, we'll go to visit a farm. We will go to an animal farm. Yes, and you'll see there some animals, small little cutie animals. So come on, get into the rhyme with me. Okay? The name of the rhyme is I went to visit a farm one day. Wow. Chalo. I went to visit a farm one day. I saw a duck across the way. And what do you think I heard it say? Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. I went to visit a farm one day. I saw a ship across the way. And what do you think I heard it say? Ba, 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 ba. Come on, once more. I went to visit a farm a day. I saw a duck across the way. And what do you think I heard it say? Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. I went to visit a farm one day. I saw a sheep across the way. And what do you think I heard it say? Ba, ba, ba. Ba, ba, ba. Yay! So the sheep that we saw in the farm was of someone. The sheep was of Mary. You know Mary, she is a little girl. She is also taking her online classes and she has a little pet, that is the sheep's baby, that is a lamb. So Mary had a little lamb is our next rhyme. Yay! Chalo, next rhyme. Okay? Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, his fleece was white as snow. Wow! And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Ba, ba. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, his fleece was white as snow. Everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Ba, ba. Yes. So lamb is the baby of a sheep. तो अगर sheep baa baa करेगा तो lamb भी baa baa ही करेगा ना? Yes, you are doing great. Yay!
5 little bluebirds. Five little bluebirds hopping by my door. One went to build a nest, then they were left four. 4 little bluebirds sitting on the tree. One got angry, then they were left 3. what should one do but go in search of dinner, leaving only two? Two little bluebirds singing for fun. One flew away, then there was only one. One little bluebird sitting in the sun, he took a little nap, then there was none.
Now, the next rhyme. In the next rhyme, we are going to do some clean up. Fall is over, but still cleaning must be done every day, every month, every year. So, we'll clean up the place and we'll see what mess is there. Okay? So, come on. The next rhyme is bits of paper. Bits of paper, bits of paper, lying on the floor, lying on the floor, makes the place untidy, make the place untidy. Pick them up, pick them up, pick the bits of paper, pick the bits of paper, lying on the floor, lying on the floor. Throw them in the dustbin, throw them in the dustbin. Let's clean up, let's clean up. Yay! So, we must not make the place untidy by throwing bits of paper or anything else. Okay? We must keep our house, our surrounding areas clean as we keep ourselves clean. Okay? So, that's all for today. Bye. See you again. Happy Diwali.